无指牌，不要看他们别人这样穿，但是男生穿的那一套好像可以值3000块，辛辛苦苦学人的价值。我们第二杯将敬我们的新娘的父母。Wishing the couple to start a family soon. Yeah!
After that, I finished exercise, right? I will stretch at the corner with the yoga mat. So I will stretch, and sometimes my stretch, I do wrong, I will smile myself. Then he said he actually noticed me already for some times. Yeah, he told me that. So I didn't know that actually he already noticed me because he in gym carry weight. I only saw him one time in front of me carrying weight, but very serious that time. But I didn't notice him until one day I actually posted finished workout workout done in Instagram story. Then he came and go to react the Instagram post, and he said, "Hope to see you around gym," something like that. Then that's why I just reply. And so that we came to know each other. Then we hang out. Our first hangout is we go hiking. Then after that, slowly become today lah. What made me really like his personality is because actually he's a very shy guy, and he always wear a hat. Then I imagine maybe he got no hair, that's why he wear hat. Really, I really thought that it's really good, but he good looking actually. Then I tell him, why don't you one day don't wear hat? We just go out like that. Because I also want to test myself whether I'm the type that like him because of his appearance. So I want to see whether I test myself whether I can accept him or not. So there's one day that he actually waiting. Actually it's before the hiking. He waited for me downstairs. Then he feel hot. So he take down his head. He actually want to dry up. Then he noticed me. Then he said, "Oh no!" Then he put back his head. Then I already saw that moment lah. But then actually I don't mind. Then that's the time that I think I'm okay with it. Then after that, today what he got is because it's a wig, make him look handsome. Yeah. But then after that also I realized that actually what I love about him is because his personality. That's where I know that we are meant to be together lah.
together, we had many fun together, we mamasak together, and also we quarrel, we fight and all that. Please stay happy always.
She's very down to earth, very caring, cheerful, and very positive. So whenever I spend the time with her, I can feel actually the cheerful and the joyful around the family as well. Yeah, because of her, my family member grow bigger and bigger. I really hope this young man can take care of her nicely, and again, happy marriage, Sheron.
Oh, I'm Valerie, Sheron's polytechnic friend lah. So we did nursing together in Singapore. Then there's something about Kar Kit lah that Sheron likes so much. And then I'm surprised that until now, you know, they become together. I'll always choose one another, no matter what happens. Yeah, so good luck. Make more babies.
Dozen.
Thank you.
Faster.
Next World Cup is coming.
From with hair, no hair, now fake hair. Then we have a lot of names for him. We have seen him down, we have seen him up, and this is the happiest we have seen. Congratulations to him.
Saw him for the happiest man, and then okay, sometimes happy, sometimes he's the emo guy that we kind of know. By seeing him happy today, we are really glad to see that, and wish you and Sheron peaceful marriage and full of respect and compromise with one another. Thank you.
So we're all army buddies. We've known Kar Kit for I think more than 10 over years already. Right? We slept together, bathe together, eat together, shop together. Everything also we do together in camp basically. I'm very happy that he is where he is today. Wishing you, Sheron, a very peaceful marriage and a very happy life.
祝他早生贵子，身体健康，甜甜蜜蜜。谢谢。
He's always our gym instructor in camp. Always go gym. He's the one who train us. So I wish both of you guys a peaceful wedding.
Say that because she's a wonderful girl. I must say I know her for about 9 years. I calculated since you were 19. So we become friends because the lecturer is my schoolmate. Anyway, I need to say all this is because I really think that she's a wonderful young lady. She's very loving, cheerful, caring, responsible. This is something very important in a marriage. She's very responsible. Yeah, and Sheron, I just want to tell you that thank you for being my young friend. Kar Kit, I want to tell you are a blessed man. But anyway, I wish both of you all the best. May God bless your marriage and love one another and also bring happiness to one another. Okay?
It has been a long time. It has been a very amazing journey. There's up and downs definitely comes with every relationship, and it's very good that.
就算还有你，值得我去珍惜，而你在这里，就是生命的奇迹。也许全世界为了可以忘记，就是不愿意失去你的心。